Hi. So I decided to do a vlog today. I'm going to hang out in Westwood with my friend Anna, and I'm gonna take you with me, I guess. Okay, so I'm wearing my feminism shirt today. I don't know if you can see it. And so far, I've gotten a lot of creepy, inappropriate comments, all from men. A man came up to me and he said, that shirt is hazardous to wear. Feminism is a stupid notion that women are special and that they need rights, which is ridiculous. And I was just like, okay. So that was a thing that happened. I already said one thing that a man said to me. I just got another comment, and it was like, feminism is the idea that women are just as good as men, and that's kind of silly. Men were here first. A moment of silence for this person's ignorance, because women birth the children. I'm standing outside of the Starbucks, and I'm getting a lot of really weird looks.
That is so awkward. What do I do? I don't know what to do.
So, this is a thing. This is happening. Can we go to In-N-Out?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. We're gonna go to In-N-Out. That's gonna be a thing. Walking through Westwood. My camera's really blurry right now. I don't know. I just heard an Owl City song for the first time. When Owl City really died down. It did. Hi! Happy New Year! I'm a creep. Anna says I'm antisocial.
You are.
How am I antisocial?
You only speak to like me. And that's it.
Just you.
Yeah.
I don't have any friends.
Not
I don't
really.
have a boyfriend.
Yeah. I forgot. I don't know, but he's not here. Oh look, it's Anthony and Richard. Isn't it?
Did it? I can't see.
Anthony!
Yeah, it is. Oh, look, we're
so
seeing
funny.
people. Oh, this
yes.
is why I like don't go out in public.
Yeah, I know.
Wait, I am antisocial. I don't go out in public because I don't want to see people.
Hi.
Sorry, I'm vlogging. That's what I've been saying to people all day. They're like, why are you sticking that camera in my face? I'm like, I'm making a vlog. This is like one of my favorite places in Westwood. It's called Rocket Fizz. They have like a bajillion kinds of sodas. And people are looking at me because I'm holding a camera. Why do people freak out over cameras?
Because it's weird, like you're filming us.
No, it's not. People make documentaries all the time and movies. And
Yeah, but you caught me off
we're in line at In-N-Out. This is the promised land.
I'll videotape you.
Okay. Hi, can I have a cheeseburger and animal fries?
Cheeseburger with onions.
Yes, both kinds? Yeah.
5 meat down.
Yeah, Rich.
I suck at videotaping.
No, I'm going to be drinking.
What kind is it? Raw onion?
No, like, and
We're going to be sharing this room.
Oh, how much?
Oh, but for now, just... 47? I could if you work the room. Okay.
Animals off fire, right?
Yep.
Is that the cheeseburger with onions?
of the new year. It's happening. It's happening. Getting that In and Out. I haven't had In and Out in like months. This is gonna be good. I'm gonna eat now. You wanna film me eating? You're right, this is really awkward.
I told you. Okay.
Anna thinks she's gonna come to my house and invade my personal space by going on my date with my boyfriend and me.
I mean, it's normal.
To have a threesome date?
A threesome date, yes.
This girl, 50 Shades of Grey.
Oh,
This is my favorite thing in Westwood. It's like a board game kind of. You follow it.
Really?
Yeah. You didn't know that?
No.
See, like it says Main Street, all roads lead to Westwood.
That's so funny.
Go right, third to the left.
What? Go right.
Turn left at a veer north. Vlogging. Say it again, Anna.
Vlogging.
Vlogging. Oh my god, they already have Valentine's Day stuff. Oh, look at all the things that are on sale.
Do you need balls?
So this is Oz. This is one of my favorite stores.
Wait, click it.
If it gets any deeper in here, I'll need a ladder to climb out.
In the morning when I wake and the sun is coming through, oh, you fill my lungs with sweetness and you fill my head with you. Shall I write it in a letter? Shall I try to get it down? Oh, you fill my head with pieces of a song I can't get out. Can I be
Good
close
section.
to
This is the
you?
good section. It's the Beatles.
I want this.
Bye, Anna. Have fun at Starbucks.
Thank you.
Bye. Are you gonna go? I'm gonna film you as you walk away. Bye, Anna.
Bye.